You're on, Allie. Hi, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life with Allison.
Hi.
She acted all shy and you don't even see her. She's a gift from Bima. Open. Don't show the address. There you go.
Dragons.
Okay.
It's a dragon. Nope.
Journal.
It's a journal with dragon stickers on it and decorations.
It opens, see? Look at all this stuff.
Oh, I'm
Here,
not sure if I can take that out or not.
See? Cards. The journal and the cards. This is called a belly band. Look at that dragon. What type of dragon's that?
I'd say like a sandwing or sea wing or a hybrid.
Okay. And that dragon?
Nightwing or sea wing.
Nice.
I'd say that's a sea wing rain wing, and that one's a nightwing sandwing. That'd be a rain wing, and that'd be like a rain wing sea wing.
And then you can just journal. And
Pretty dragon.
then it's a pocket. You can put whatever you want in it, Allie. And then there's another pocket. And close it. And store it. Oh. Do I need to make copies? So what do you say?
Thank you, Bima.
Oh, okay. All right. What do you... Thank you, Bima, for thinking of Allie. This is the first time I've seen her in a few weeks that she's here to be able to give her this. And Allie?
Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.